Alright guys, welcome to yet another video, and yes, once again we are doing unboxing. Now what you see over here is a package that we have received from Amazon. This is the Iqoo Z6 or Z644W and W or W, whatever you want to call it. We're going to unbox it and see how good or bad this mid-range device is. If I get some more time with this phone, I'll probably do a gaming review as well. But before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. So first things first, a 360-degree view of this package. You can see it is properly closed, sealed. Let's quickly go ahead and open it. We don't have any fancy unboxing knives. So let's see here. Okay, get rid of this. Oh, okay, this has come from Amazon and this is a big issue. I'm glad I'm unboxing it on camera. This was just opened and this thing is wet. So I'm really curious if the phone is okay. All right. Yeah, you can see that the phone is completely wet. This is very, very weird that the electronic product like a smartphone was delivered in wet packaging. We definitely found something fishy about this because it was, in a very, very heavy condition, and normally a smartphone is not that heavy. Now I know why it was heavy, because it was wet. Okay, so I'm going to open the smartphone, and if we find any evidence of water in there, we are going to send this product back to Amazon. I never expected this from Amazon. This is the third phone in the last 3 to 4 days that we have ordered, and yes, there is water inside. You can clearly see that the package is wet. Very, very sad and shocking from Amazon. I don't even feel like opening this, but I'm so glad we are unboxing this in front of the camera, and I would definitely want to put this on the channel. Now, we have two seals over here, right? We have two seals over here. We have two seals over here. We are going to open them and we're going to see what exactly is going on. Very, very shocking. I can't believe how they can deliver a smartphone that is wet. Water testing before unboxing, I guess. Okay, we definitely have the phone in there, and I don't see any evidence of water inside the package yet. Okay, the phone appears to be just fine. Now, this is a phone for a family member. I'm really going to ask them. The phone looks beautiful. To me, this design looks better than the Iqoo Neo 6, to be very, very honest. But yeah, the phone looks fine. I don't have any major concerns with the phone. We're going to further go inside. And yeah, okay. Then we don't have any evidence of water in here. The smartphone case is also fine. So no major issues there. The documentation is also fine. We have a flash charge adapter over here. That is what you get with the device. Okay, so this is definitely a fast charge adapter and it looks to be fine. We have a USB cable and we have a SIM pin, right? Now let's quickly talk about the device. As I said, the phone looks to be okay, but probably we will return it to Amazon. You have your camera configuration over here. Very, very bold and beautiful design. It does say AI cam over here, 2 LED flashes. To the right, you have your power button, volume up and volume down. You do have your water drop style notch over here. So we will quickly start the phone. This definitely feels a little different. Of course, it's smaller, it's narrower compared to the Iqoo Neo 6, as you can see. So of course, this is a phone which is 15,000-16,000. That is a 26 to 30,000 rupees device. Iqoo branding over here, AI camera branding over here. At the bottom, you do have a bottom firing speaker. You do have a Type-C charging port, and you also have what you see over here is the bottom microphone and a 3.5mm jack. This is something I miss in the Iqoo Neo 6. And to the left, of course, you don't have anything. To the top, you have a SIM tray, and you also have a secondary microphone. I think that's about it. We'll quickly go ahead and remove the SIM tray and see what type of configuration we get. But once again, while we are at it, very, very disappointing experience from Amazon. Imagine for people who are not unboxing it in front of the camera. Now, we do have this SIM ejector tray over here. You do have a dedicated SD card slot over here and 2 SIM card slots. So all in all, yes, Iqoo Z6 in a wet packaging here. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this unboxing and what should we do? Should we return this to Amazon or should we continue using it and try our luck? Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.